Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Itsdessbabyyy, and we back with another mother video. If you are new, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, baby, because you're lit over here. And if you're not new, welcome back, because you already know we litty. Hey y'all, okay, do not mind my hair. Y'all already know I come out here raw, uncut, real raw and real nasty. I did not do my edges today. It is currently 4 o'clock. Today's Sunday. All I've been doing to y'all today is I cleaned out my refrigerator and my freezer. I cleaned up the kitchen. Cleaned up my bathroom, and then now I want to do my hair. I'm over the dreads. One of them actually came out. One of my dreads actually came out, y'all. Look, where it goes, right here. So I'm about to take these out. I'm really debating on if I want to do a braidless sew-in or some knotless braids. I think I want to go with the braidless sew-in. I don't know. I just want something different, something new. I feel like I always wear braids. Yeah, let's try the braidless sew-in. So I need to go get a tool from the beauty supply store, beads, and the little plier thingies. And I don't think I'm gonna sew it in. I think I'm gonna just do the braidless. Excuse me. What else we need? I need to get my hair for my appointments for tomorrow. I got one appointment for tomorrow. I need to get the hair for that. I need to get some gas, and I'm debating if I want to get a car wash because the braids violated my car. The birds, look. I can't even show y'all for real. And I also need to get my dog some dog food, but I think I might just DoorDash that here because y'all, it's 120 degrees out here in Arizona, and I just want to be in and out of the stores. So let's get a move on. I'll see you guys when I get to the beauty supply store. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a post, because your girl been posting. Okay, period. Alright, y'all, just left the beauty supply store. I got my hair for tomorrow. I got some micro links and a bead. I gotta go back in there because I don't have the tool. Be right back. Alright, y'all, so unfortunately they did not have the tool, so I'm gonna go to another beauty supply store, which is literally diagonal from the one I'm at right now. I only like to come into Wawa instead of Grandmart, because Grandmart like to super tape all of their products, and it's like you gotta fight 10 minutes just to open the package just to get to the product. So it's like, why not go to Wawa when you just open right up? Maybe 30 cents cheaper, but they don't have the little clampy, like the hair tool, the clamp the bead. So I'm gonna go to Grandmart and grab that right now. My baby daddy just called me. He wants some shrimp and chicken Alfredo. So I'm gonna run to the grocery store and get some food to make for that, and then I need to get some dog food for my dog, and I think we need some drinks for the house. So yeah, that's what's on our agenda for right now. It's late, y'all. It's like 5 o'clock. I didn't come out the house till just now because it's so freaking hot. The sun is like draining, and it's like being in Arizona, hot. You just automatically get an attitude, irritated, hot. Like, don't talk to me. Why are you driving crazy? Like, everything just irritates you when you're hot. But I'm gonna take this hair on my head because this hair is irritating me when it's time to go to sleep. I'm tired of slapping my dreads from left and right when it's time to go to bed, and I can't sleep with them in a ponytail because my neck do not allow my hair to hold up any hair for more than 10 minutes. I need to do some neck